Naktabang! Ligsa si kaning kidnapper. Sige, patyan eh.
Dagan ko!
Dagon! Hawari ya! Kailangan makatuta guys.
Nakita siya na ako.
Mahanap din lang.
Ipilit sa sakyan na. Aha.
Naigo ko. Nak, basin na. Lay down na tong anak na. For no reason, ingana na lang. Nikita mo to gahapon ako. Padung sa mong balay. Karo wala na. Oh, nang laag rito sira dire. Nak, ang kidnapper katago.
Bro, what the hell is you?
Don't say that. Ay, ako sa tiyan na. Asa? Uy, nasa diri. Nakapi ko na kidnap. Salamat ang ana. Sige, let's go! Ah, mga tintin! Aba, di ka mga utot! Mga ikit mo! Mga ikit! Bro! Bro, he's gonna... shut tabang! Nak, tabang! Bigsan eh!
The red law. He called me the red law.
Oh my God! But that guy is very strong.
Who, me?
No!
Kill you,
The kidnapper! He's so strong! He told me to crack my hand and I don't know what he's talking about. 1.1 out of 10. This guy is crazy. Okay, bitaw? Baby? Baby, oh baby. Bro, look at the dog.
Hakin.
Hala, unsa nang? Oh, hala.
Ano? Kusog kayo madagan?
Oh,
Kusog kayo na madagan?
oh bitaw na siya. Because mo na ba? Now what? What we're going to do?
Kailan na yung edad? 18.
I am 19. What the hell? Naktabang! I am just kidding. The kidnapper is still laid down. Look, the laid down was the Shano. Okay. Nak, tabang, kidnapper. Nak, nak. Nak, dagan na lang ta. Bahala ka diyan. Ito na ko. Bye! Oh no! Oh. Ay, si Brownie. Si Brownie. Ay!
Asa si Brownie, Ana?
Ikaw. Ay. Oy, ako na pangit. Dara ay, kanang ng si Brownie.
Na white?
Dili, kanay. Hey bro, where you going? Hey bro, this guy. Ay, may anak. Uy, si Jimmy.
Saki.
Iyang iklog ba? Lakan kayo.
I'm talking right now.
Okay, go! Tara! It's okay! Mga tayo! This is not right and just. Okay? Okay. Now guys, we need to defeat this kidnapper. This kidnapper want to kill me. This what?
Pwede may pabumba sa mga bike, pero nai bayad.
Uy, bayad. Uy. Mamay, bayad ang bike. Unsa man na? 20 pesos.
20 ulit.
20 ako 20. 20 nak. Sis. Bitaw. This is a kidnapper.
Cassandra ang the Rizzler.
Okay. The wrestler. Kabaw ka ka ng kidnapper. Kailangan, uy, tawag sa pulis. Tawag pulis na yun. Ito, tawag pulis. Tawag pulis, tara. Batay! Nanawang kidnapper na ko ipusil. Easy. That one is crazy. What the hell was that? Okay. We defeat the kidnapper. Yay! We can happy and after. Now let's buy Jollibee. They can know it's you because nakita imong kamot.
LOL.
Hey, let's buy Jollibee. Oy, let's go. We defeat the kidnapper. Let's go.
Kidnapper just take me.
And now it's over. Let's go.